सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन दिया था, in recent time fiscal deficit become the prominent issue for recovery for Indian, that is a economy, for economy like India. How far India can ignore the rising fiscal deficit? Give your suggestions to control problem of growth on one side and rising fiscal deficit on the other side. It is a UPSC class question. Already UPSC asked this type of question 2 times. तो सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि इसके अंदर हमें किन किन चीज़ों पर ज़्यादा महत्व देना है. First you should know about the definition of fiscal deficit. Then you people should know about Keynes and the Keynes theory, 1930 Great Depression and the expansionary policy. Then you should take the reference of so many people, particularly C. Rangarajan and other people who always talks about that we can move towards expansionary, that is a foreign policy, expansionary fiscal policy. Then you should talk about the problems of Indian economy. Under this problem, the priority is setting to revive the growth, and to revive the growth there is a need that we should provide the fiscal stimulus, which further intensified after the COVID. Under this respect, at least for 4 or 5 years, we should not think about the fiscal deficit, but we should not also ignore about fiscal deficit, and we should maintain the balance. Therefore, for a short period of time, that is a margin period of 4 to 5 months, we can maintain the overall high fiscal deficit. That's why in the recent budget, Government of India modified and tried to amend, not try, that is a ready to amend the FRBM Act, and the current fiscal deficit is about 6.8% and we are modifying it to 4.5% by 2026. Earlier the same thing was, that is around, that was around 3.5% was the target, but now we modified it to 4.5% target. But simultaneously government is thinking that we should not take it for granted forever, forbearance and the experience of USA and Europe. We already experienced that in 2008 they started the expansionary policy. They are making high debt to GDP ratio, high fiscal deficit and not controlling it, which further resulting into 2005-15 recession or depression. Under this regard, India should also know that when to end this overall liquidity, flow of liquidity or stimulus or expansionary policy, and simultaneously we can work upon disinvestment, merger acquisition, infrastructure, private corporate, that is a investment, even the tax and taxation reform. Only then we can maintain the balance between fiscal deficit as well as growth, and it is a high time we should also maintain the N.K. Singh recommendation of 15th Finance Commission by empowering the state, because the state is also having the high role regarding the overall maintenance of fiscal deficit. Jai Hind. तो this should be your answer. क्या मेरी बात समझ गए? तो आंसर लिखने के तरीके होते हैं. अगर आप इसको दोबारा सुनोगे जो मैं डलवा दूंगा, यू विल रियलाइज कि सर ने कितनी सारी चीज़ों को एक साथ रिलेट किया, न्यूज़पेपर से क्या क्या उठाया, यूएसए का एग्जाम्पल डाला. अब आपका ये आंसर एक एनरिच्ड आंसर है. इसमें आप बहुत कुछ ऐड कर सकते हो, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो, बट आई एम गिविंग यू वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मॉडल आंसर कि मिनिमम क्या आना चाहिए, और इतना ही हम यहाँ पर मिनिमम लिख सकते हैं. क्लियर?